Hello everyone, welcome to Growth Partners. We've recorded this video to talk a little about our partnership program, which we have been doing from last 5 years. So we have been in business from last 5 years where we are doing multiple things. So I'm a chartered accountant, but I do not hold a COP by decision because we wanted to bridge the gap between chartered accountants and clients. So this is what we've been doing. We are based out of Gadag, which is in north of Karnataka, and we have two offices, one in Bangalore, one in Hubli, and we have complete operations from these three offices. So now I'll go a little in deep of what we do at our partnership program and how CAs and tax practitioners and accountants have been collaborating with us from last 5 years and how they have been benefiting, their clients have been benefiting, and we have been benefiting. I'll take you through this entire presentation. So point number one, talking about the agenda. Today's agenda, we have mainly three things we will cover. First is why this partnership program. Second is what is this partnership program and what does it mean to a CA? What does it mean to a client? What does it mean to us as growth partners? And the number three, it's how, like how we are working and how clients are coming to us, how CAs are benefiting, and the entire process of it, right? So to start with why, firstly, every business is now a tech business, right? Like if your clients are into agriculture, it's now agri-tech. If they're into finance, it's now fintech. If they are into marketing, it is now called martech. So every business is now getting into a tech business. So it's very important for a CA firm or for a tax practitioner firm to also become a tech business. And we understand the limitations of every firm. Like every firm cannot have the capabilities to have extended team who can handle tech. So we are that extended part of every CA firm and tax practitioner firm who would handle tech on your behalf, tech of your office plus tech of your clients. Going forward, second reason why this partnership program exists is CAs and tax practitioners pay for clients' mistakes through their time. I'll tell you how. For example, you charge 5,000 for a GST return and the client does five mistakes. Okay, so you charge 5,000 rupees. Next month, when you're filing the GST return, let's say the client does 10 mistakes. How much do you charge? It's again 5,000. And the next month, third month, the client does 20 mistakes. How much do you charge? It's again 5,000, right? So the onus of solving all the queries or uncertain transactions or removing all the errors of the clients remains with the chartered accountants or the tax practitioners, and the clients don't realize it, right? And if the clients ask, clients, the CAs or tax practitioners cannot tell that we have solved more uncertain transactions this time, so your charges are so and so. You cannot do that, right? So that's where you need a fintech partner who can actually do this work way beyond your practice. So because only the clean work comes to you so that you can save time in your practices. Next, clients call their consultants for software queries. So whenever there is an error in software or something they don't understand, clients do not know whom to call, right? Like if they have a problem in Tally, if they do not know how to make a ledger in Tally, or why GST is not appearing in this invoice, something like that, they would directly call their CAs or tax practitioners. But it's not your job, right? But if you tell the client it's not your job, you lose the client. So you can instead tell, we have a partner who does this software handling stuff. You can call them and this is their number. So this can happen, right? So this is also one of the problems that we're solving. Next, clients do not have a fifth door. I'll tell you what it means. So in a lifetime of a business, a businessman generally talks to four people. One is the customer, second is the vendor, third is a banker, and fourth is a consultant. Consultant can be a CA, accountant, or a tax practitioner. So clients do not literally have a fifth door where they can tell that, okay, I will go to this person when I want to talk about any technology in my business, right? They do not have. So we are trying to becoming that fifth door where they can come for any other queries other than these four stakeholders, right? So if they want to talk about growing sales, if they want to talk about optimizing cost, if they want to talk about security in their business, if they want to talk about payrolls, or if they want to talk about marketing, anything like that, they can come to us via you, via the chartered accountant, and we together, you and us together, can solve the problem for the client. Next, clients assume software handling is consultant's responsibility. This has been a main reason why clients actually, the CAs actually suffer, right? The tax practitioners suffer. So if you're filing GST returns, the clients assume that solving all the tally queries are also your responsibility, which is not true because that's not your scope of work. All such queries can be delegated to us. Next, coming to what, so this was about why this partnership program exists. Next is what actually we do in this partnership program. So there are three benefits for, I'm talking purely in terms of how this benefits a chartered accountancy firm or a tax practitioner firm, and why around 300 firms have partnered with us. So there are three legs of the partnership program. First one is make money, second one is save money, third one is save time. So for every referral that is passed by you, we share revenue with you. This is to reward and appreciate you for the time that you or your resource would have invested in trying and making client understand the benefits of technology, right? For example, if you share us a lead and they buy some product from us, it can be a tally license or a renewal or something like that. We share revenue with you, which is a fixed percentage, and it happens within 15 minutes of transaction, and that's for every referral, right? So whenever we get a lead from you, we tag that lead under you in our CRM, and you get communication from our end that this has been the conversation with the client, or we have sent a quotation, or we have sent the billing details, we have received the payment, we've done the invoice, we've given the support, we've done the installation. All that live updates will be shared to you. The second one is saving time. So you would have realized like 80% of you filing a GST return is not actually you reviewing their books. It's about these clerical errors, solving these uncertain transactions, getting the data from them, and all of that, right? So you can actually delegate all the software queries to us, and we can save time for you. So currently we support in 5 languages, which is English, Hindi, Kannada, Marathi, and Telugu. So all these 5 languages we support end to end, where we can train your client or your client's accountant on how things should be actually done in Tally or Zoho for that matter, and how they can actually reduce their errors with using by default capabilities of Tally or by customization or something like that. But we will help you save time with this partnership. Next one is save money. So everything is dynamic today. So the softwares are changing every day. So currently we are in 6.2, and probably in a week's time or in 2 weeks time 7.0 will be out. And you can't keep getting updated on every software which is coming in, right? Because Tally is not the one software which all of your clients use. So you can delegate all these things to us. So you do not have to train your team on that, right? You can save money on training. So we are your extended team. We will take care of that, and we will make sure whether it's e-invoicing, whether it's e-way bill, or any update in the software, we will learn at our end. We will do the official training from the HO, and we will implement that for your clients. So this is the three leg benefit that all our partnerships have, and for this reason, our partnership has been successful. So it has been majorly word of mouth, or probably our YouTube or LinkedIn somewhere where we are getting the leads from. And everyone needs a trusted source, and plus everyone needs one person who can handle multiple softwares. They do not need separate vendors for separate softwares. So we are that middleman for you, where you can get all the pool of softwares. You just name the problem statement like accounting or HR or marketing or security, and we would have a solution for you, which we will take it forward to your client and implement it there at their office place. Next, how does this process work? There are only three simple steps. First is you refer your client to us whenever they have any requirement. It can be as simple as a Tally renewal or a Tally customization or mobile app or cloud or whatever. Or even if you don't bracket it into any product, but if you feel they have a problem which can be solved by tech, you refer them to us. And as soon as you refer them to us, we tag that client under you in our CRM, from where we track the entire leads. Our entire office works on CRM, where we have entire communication of the client of what has been spoken and what's pending and all of that, right? And then we serve the clients, and finally we share the revenue with you. Just a moment. Yes. So we serve your clients once we get your clients referral. So it's our job to give them an intro, to give them a demo, to solve their queries, to take them through other products that's there in the market, to give them the pricing, to give them the quotation, to install it for them, to follow for the payment, to do the invoicing, and finally to give them the support until the product is active, right? All this is taken care by us, and you do not have to worry about anything for the product that you refer your clients for, right? Finally, after the clients make payments, after within 15 minutes, the revenue gets shared with you. So we have a simple Google form where you mention your Google Pay ID or something like that, and we share the revenue with you. We also have partners who want to raise invoice on us. That is also possible. You can raise invoice on us, but invoice wouldn't be transaction wise. Like invoice, we do it fortnightly, like twice in a month. You can raise invoice on us, and we will make the payouts to you, because tracking invoice for every transaction is a little difficult for you as well as for us, right? So this is a three-step simple method by which we follow our partnership program. Next, who can become partners with growth partners? Number one, chartered accountants, whether in practice or in industry. If you are serving clients and they are using Tally or Zoho or any softwares, or you're serving any kind of MSMEs, you can become partners with us by filling a simple partnership form. Number two, tax consultants, like who are doing the groundwork, who are like helping clients day in, day out, or you're doing their GST filing or whatever. You serve clients who use softwares, you can become a partner with us. Number three are accountants, where there are a lot of accountants who do part-time accounting, like they handle 50 clients or something like that, or weekly once they visit the client, they do the accounting, all of that. You can also become our partner and you can start referring your clients. What are the responsibilities? Like I told you, for a partner, there's only one responsibility, which is referring client. But for growth partners, for our team, there are multiple responsibilities and we are all set to take them up. Number one is intro. Number two is demo. We do the follow up. We do the query handling. We do the quotation. We do the payment follow up. We do the invoicing. We do the support, and we do finally do the training, right? And after that as well. So based on which product your client has taken, we timely keep creating videos on our YouTube channel, and it will automatically reach via email and WhatsApp to your client so that they get trained on the new features of the product that they have bought from us. Next comes revenue sharing. Once the lead is received, it's tagged under partner in our CRM. So with your name, it will be tagged under CRM, so that next time also, if that lead asks us for some new product, we can actually come back to you and tell, hey, your client has referred, come back to us for this product, and this is the communication. And when they buy the new product, also revenue will be shared to you. So like I told you, revenue sharing happens within 15 minutes of transaction. And partners can also raise tax invoice, but like I told you, it will be twice a month, fortnightly once. First invoice will be on 15th or 16th, as you wish to, and the second invoice will be on 30 or 31st, depending on the end of the month. So these are the two dates on which we receive invoices from our partners and we make the payouts. Next, process is very simple. How do you get into the process? It's very simple. You sign our partnership form, and once you sign our partnership form, you will start receiving the communication with regards to partnership, like what are the products, what are the other CAs doing, what are the other tax practitioners doing, how they are benefiting from our partnership, and why it's important to introduce tech to your clients, and all of that, right? The case studies and all of that. You will start receiving that once you fill our partnership form. Trust. Now, the main important part of our partnership model is trust, because we are sitting in a tier 2 and we are serving entire India. Like we have clients in 20 states. So, how do you actually trust us? So, we do not want a referral from you right today when you see this video, right? We want you to stay in touch with us. We want you to check our YouTube. We want you to check our LinkedIn. We want you to check our website. We want you to check our WhatsApp catalog or WhatsApp status, right? And over the time, once you get enough trust on us, you can start referring us one client. And once you see how we serve your one client, you obviously then we do not have to tell you to refer us more clients. Currently, we're working with 300 active partners. By active partners, we mean who've been constantly referring us their clients for any of the products that we have in our kitty. We have currently 14 to 15 products in our kitty, and altogether we have around 2500 social media followers, which is put together on LinkedIn or YouTube or Instagram or everywhere else, Twitter, wherever we have our presence. Count, if we talk about, we have 500 plus LinkedIn connections, we have around 1400 YouTube subscribers, we have around 300 plus daily visitors on our website. Plus, we do everyday demos. We do a demo of Tally on Cloud every day. We do Tally training every day. Currently, we are doing workshop for CAs. Sometimes it would be learn one feature a day. Sometimes it would be Tally how a wholesaler can use Tally in the best fashion. Sometimes it could be how a retailer can use Tally in the best fashion, something like that. All this we do, and through that we get visitors on our website who check all other products as well. Then vendor partnerships, we are certified partners at Tally, at Zoho, at AWS, which is Amazon Web Services, then at Meta. Then products, we have these products which I'll quickly run. We have Tally licenses where we can help any client buy Tally, subscribe Tally, whether it's single user, multi-user, or if you are a CA and you're looking to buy a Tally license for yourself, we can help you get the 80% discount which is available under MOU of ICAI and Tally. Next is Tally renewal, whether it's single, multi, or auditor version, we will do it for you. And whatever is the discount available from the company, we will be very transparent that these are the discounts running from the company and you can avail them. Like currently for 2 years, there's a 10% discount which we openly announce. The next one is Tally on Cloud, where you can use where you can bypass the restriction of LAN. Like Tally is an offline software, but if you want to convert it to online, that's possible through Tally on Cloud. Number four is Tally mobile app, where on the phone you can access the entire Tally data. Whether you are on a move or whether your Tally is turned off, you can still access entire Tally data on mobile app. Next one is Tally customizations, where like Tally is a default software, but if your clients or if you want to customize your Tally based on your requirements, we can do it for you. We understand your requirement and then we give you three things. One is the scope of work, second one is the time estimate, and the fourth is cost estimate. Once you approve, we take that project further. Next one is Tally course. We have a Tally basic course available with us. Like a lot of our businesses, a lot of our clients have a problem of attrition, and they have a problem where any new person joins, like we lose a lot of time in training them. So they have bought courses from them. Like any new joinee, you can just ask them like first 3 days or 7 days don't work, just follow these courses so that they are aware about the basic stuff of Tally, like how to create a ledger, how to create a voucher, how to take a backup, how to create a company, how to add tax rates, what is GST, all this simple stuff. Then we have Tally data analytics. Like if you have a client where there is so much of data and we want to dig into the data and we want to create new insights, actionable insights, we have a tool for that. Then we have partners at Quick Heal Antivirus, which is a software solution, so we can implement that as well. Then we have AWS cloud backup solutions, where like your entire system data can be backed up with a frequency that you set. And tomorrow, if any mishap happens with your laptop or system, you still have a copy of the data in your cloud of AWS. Then we are partners at Zoho Books, which is currently a trending tool for accounting. We are also partners at Zoho CRM, which is a begin CRM. It is a beginner's CRM. We are using it internally at Growth Partners, and that has changed how we work with clients. Then we also are partners at Vyapar Billing app, which is predominantly for B2C businesses. It's doing great for B2C businesses. And if you have any B2C businesses who are still using manual books of accounts or Excel sheets or something like that, you can refer them to us and we will help them use Vyapar. Then we have remote access. Like if you want to securely access one of your systems, it's not like AnyDesk. Like in AnyDesk, when you take an access, only one person can use the system. But in remote access, when you take an access of a system, both the people on both ends can use remote access the same system. Next, we have Tally Consulting, where if you have clients who have constantly new things in Tally and they are always needing a help on a call, something like that, you can refer them to us for Tally Consulting, and we will make sure that we are available 10 to 6 Monday to Saturday, except for a holiday list that we have, like that was around 10 days in the entire calendar year. So we will be one call away for your clients, and we can help them for Tally software issues. Then we have Tally to WhatsApp, where they can instantly send Tally invoices or ledgers to WhatsApp, and we can help them implement that. Connect. So Jyoti Kathade from our office, she handles partnership, and you can reach out to her at this given number 90199464181. And then she's the partnership manager, and then according to your requirement, according to your client or their product requirement, we have different people in our different team who handle different products, and you will be automatically assigned to the person who is responsible for that product, and that will be taken care by Jyoti madam. And she's been with us from a long time, and it's a wonderful thing that she's been talking. She's able to talk Kannada, Hindi, and Marathi, and understands Telugu as well. So we have team, different people in our team who talk different languages, and we can support you in all those five languages. So this is about our partnership model. If you are interested in a partnership, this we have just given a brief. If you might still have a few queries of how things work and all of that, you can reach out to us on the number I've given here, on this number or on our email or on website. Anywhere you go, you can reach out to us, and you will be navigated to Jyoti madam, who handles partnership, and she will take you through this entire journey. With this, I guess you're clear how our growth partners partnership program works, and we are excited and all arms open to partner with your firm, and together we can enable tech at your clients' places. And if clients grow, we grow. Thank you.